I've been with my feelings, yeah. Fuck what you feeling, yeah.
Used to trap out vacant houses, used to pull them straps out. Now we play with Pro Tools. Can't fuck with you if I don't know you. Broke nigga said I'm taxing. I just beat a nigga for the back end. Oh, you say you got the work now. Boy, I know that you capping. All my whips push a start now. Got the cameras when I back in. I ain't got time to chill, baby. I'm about to go ship this package. They telling me to quit rapping, but I've been in the booth trying to make it happen. Mama said quit trapping. I ain't never capping in my captions. I care less about a bitch. I just get the money and I dip. Whole squad on that money shit. Whole squad on that money shit. Used to trap out vacant houses, used to pull them straps out. Now we play with Pro Tools. Can't fuck with you if I don't know you. I got Da Vinci's on my feet. A nigga wanna talk, we can take it to the street. I got the Glock and the Preen, got the Gucci on the T. Bitch, it's a motion picture when my niggas on the scene. Back on that road, ain't no days off. I just CP in the foreign, about to race off. And you tripping if you think I'm about to pay it off. Just gave a hand some fake bills, now he paid off. I care less about a bitch. I just get the money and I dip. Whole squad on that money shit. Whole squad on that money shit. Used to trap out vacant houses, used to pull them straps out. Now we play with Pro Tools. Can't fuck with you if I don't know you.